Good morning, boys and girls. Today, I thought it would be fun to read you another Christmas story. And it has one of our favorite characters in it. I have cats on my shirt. Who's the blue cat that we love in first grade? Right! Pete the cat! Totally groovy. So today, boys and girls, I'm going to read you the story, Pete the Cat Saves Christmas, because we love Pete the Cat in first grade. So let's read to find out how Pete the Cat saves Christmas. All right, story by Eric Litwin, art by James Dean. And check out the pictures in this book. They're amazing. Pete the Cat Saves Christmas. Get a little Tweety. Oh, it says tweet. Santa. Will Christmas be canceled? Will it come to that? Never, cried Santa. Let's call Pete the Cat. Santa asked Pete to deliver the toys to all the good girls and to all the good boys. He's texting Pete the Cat. Santa! Bring, bring, bring. I'll do it, said Pete. And although I am small, at Christmas we give, so I'll give it my all. Give it your all, give it your all. At Christmas we give, so give it your all. Pete jumped in his minibus and started to roll. Road trip, called Pete. First stop, the North Pole. Was that fun, Pete? Did you have a good time at the North Pole? Let's see what he does. The reindeer were waiting for Pete in tow, so he packed up the presents and told them to go. Then the minibus flew, just like in a movie. Pete the cat cried, "This is totally groovy!" I can do it, said Pete, and although I am small, at Christmas we give, so I'll give it my all. Give it your all, give it your all. At Christmas we give, so give it your all. There's little Tweety bird. As the children were sleeping all snug in their beds, Pete and his reindeer appeared overhead. Straight down the chimney, Pete flew in a dash, then back in his minibus, quick as a flash. Each time he delivered a holiday gift, he crossed off a name written on Santa's list. Santa's list was so big, and Pete felt so small. But at Christmas we give, so he gave it his all. Give it your all, give it your all. At Christmas we give, so give it your all. Oh, wow. Look at Santa's list. Is your name on that list? I bet it is if you're a good boy or a good girl. And I know you have all been good this year. So your name is on that list. At the very last minute, he reached the last house. Pete dashed in and out as quick as a mouse. Then right at the break of the new Christmas day, Pete and his reindeer were flying away. Back at the North Pole, old Santa was waiting. The elves and the townfolk were all celebrating. Woohoo! Thank you, Pete! Small is cool. Santa was dressed in his red coat and hat and cried, "Hip, hip, hooray for our friend Pete the Cat." There he is, jolly old Santa Claus. Ho, 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 ho. "I did it," said Pete, "and although I am small, in the spirit of Christmas, I gave it my all." Give it your all, give it your all. At Christmas we give, so give it your all. There we go. Right? Pete the Cat gave it his all, right, on Christmas to help Santa. And boys and girls, I know you're really great at spreading Christmas cheer. So give it your all and spread Christmas cheer to your family and people around you, because it's so important to spread Christmas cheer. All right, I miss you so much. I hope you enjoyed this Pete the Cat Christmas story. It was pretty fun, wasn't it, Pete? It was. All right, I miss you so much. Remember, wash your hands. Love you. Bye.